Hello, my name is Brandy Benito, and this is my class introduction for Family Resource Management. A little bit about me. I received my Bachelor of Arts degree in psychology in 2006. I was a school-age teacher at the Goddard School, and I was also the director and lead teacher at a cooking school called Young Chefs Academy. I'm currently pursuing my master's degree in applied family science. I hope to learn how to better understand how families develop and utilize resources so that I can better serve them. I hope to use what I learned from these classes for this master's program so that I can gain a better knowledge about how families function so that I may help them in their situations. A little bit more about me. I love to read and craft, and I currently work at Walt Disney World as a performer. Thank you, and I can't wait to get to know everybody else.